jump right into the foundation routine. I've already prepped my skin and primed my skin. I use the, well, first I use the gel moisturizer by the Garnier Skin Active line. I really love this line, from the face mask to the moisturizers to the creams. This is a really good line that they have right now. And then I went ahead and primed my face with the Baby Skin Pore Eraser. This is really good, guys. Like, it blocks those pores out. And then I went in with the Smashbox Photo Finish for the perimeter of my face. And right after, my skin with the face oil by HONEYY, the Radiant Glow face oil. It is so good. It smells so good. It leaves your face looking really dewy, like really nice. I love the finish. I wear this stuff all the time, all the time. So now, after we're gonna let this sit on our face for a couple minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with the Mario Badescu facial spray with rose water. I also have the other one. I don't really know where that one is right now, the green one, but I really love this one. I buy this one time after time. So yeah, I'm gonna go and spray my face. All right. And then I'm gonna let this sit and dry for just like maybe a minute or two. Now we're going to dive in straight to foundation. I'm going to be mixing 2 foundations today, and the first one I'm going to be mixing is the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation in the color Amber, I wanna say. No, I lied, Maple. This is the color Maple. I'm in Amber in the Hourglass. And then I'm gonna go in with the All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation in NARS in the color Syracuse. So yeah, I just mix these 2 together and work this in my skin. If you guys want to see how I did this eye look, let me know down below in the comments. It was so fun doing, because at first I knew I wanted to do something like purpley and like cranberry colors and stuff like that, but I really didn't know where I wanted to go with it. And then I was like, you know what, I'm gonna like smoke it out and add a little shimmer to it, and I really love it. So if you want to see it, let me know. Lately, I've been loving blending my makeup in with brushes. Have been my thing lately. Kind of different, but I love it. This is the Morphe M439 buffing brush. This one, and I have a Tarte brush that I really love. These are 2 amazing brushes to have in your collection. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this all out. All right, now that we're all blended out, the next thing we're going to do is, and usually I would go in with a damp beauty blender. I got these like eco sponges from Target, I wanna say. Not bad, not bad. It doesn't pick up way too much product. It did pick up some though. And I'm just gonna go in. Satisfied with the foundation. I'm looking nice and dewy and moisturized. And honestly, I think it's because the HONEYY face oil, so yeah. The next step, we're going to go in, and it's time for concealer and highlight. I do them at the same time because I like to just kind of be like, you know, one and done kind of thing. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to conceal with my Tarte Shape Tape in Tan. And so yeah, go underneath my eye in like a triangle. But I kind of want to see really what this eco sponge is about, so I'm gonna try to blend out one side just to kind of see what it does, and if I don't like it, I will quickly stop and move on to a brush. So let's blend this out and kind of see the finish it gives us with this sponge. It's not bad. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. It kind of like gets really in there. So yeah, I'm really liking it. I'm gonna try to blend out the other side with it. I'm gonna flip it over and use the clean. Alrighty guys, I like the way this sponge blended out my foundation. Like, it's pretty seamless and flawless. They come in a pack of, I got the pack right here because this is the first day I've been using it. So it comes in a pack of 4. It's really cute. They come in like a heart shape. So yeah. Alright guys, so the next step we're going to do is we're going to go in with the highlighting portion of my under eye. And I just go in with the Maybelline Age Rewinder in the color Neutralizer because I just feel like it gives me a nice little highlight that I need right underneath my eye. And this is really blendable and it blends out really nice, so I don't put too much because, like I said, I don't want to be extra. I think we're going to go have some dinner right after this, so yeah. Go ahead and blend this out. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set my under eye, I'm going to set my face, and then I'm going to start off with the bronzers since I decided not to cream contour today, so yeah. I'm going to go in with my Too Faced setting powder. I really like this powder, guys. Like, I'm going to go in and damp it with this Beauty Eco Sponge. Okay, Eco Sponge, let me find out you doing the damn thing. Place, I'm just gonna go in with a Sephora Pro Precision Powder Brush and the number 59. So I'm just gonna go in and dust this all away. I don't know if I did my nose. Did I do my nose? No? Okay. Just in case. I did do my nose. Whatever. Alright, so the next step, how we're going to set my face is, oh, I'm like reaching for stuff. I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the Kat Von D Lock-It blotting powder in the color medium. I love this packaging, it's so cute. And yeah, this is what you get. And I'm going to take another powder brush and work this really where I didn't put any product, which is the perimeters of my face. Alrighty guys, now that we're all set with our face, we're going to quickly go in to contour. And anyways, I'm going to go in with this mini Real Techniques brush. It is so cute. It's a contour brush. It's so perfect for like right here in your face. So yeah, I'm going to go in and dip that in my Hoola bronzer and get those cheekbones, girl. And I just go in circular motions and bring that up to my temple, to my forehead. Blend this all out. I'm gonna have to redo my edges because you know. Usually if I cream contour, I would just cream contour on my forehead and my nose and just kind of bring it down from my forehead all the way down to right here. I just seem to feel like that's just enough. If I do it here, 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 it just gets too much. And I look really cakey and dark. And I look a little muddy. Alright, now that my contour, I don't know why I keep saying contour. Now that my bronzer, my first bronzer is on, I'm going to go in with a... Alright, the next one I'm going to be going in with is my Physicians Formula bronzer. And it has a nice, really like glitzy finish to it. So I like going in right over this, applying that one. And it's so pretty, like... Those are the only two that I'm going to use today because I really just love the finish of this one. It's so pretty. I'm just going to go in, tap my brush. And I really like my nose to glow. So I just kind of go over it with this one to contour my nose. And since I didn't cream contour, I'm not gonna go ham with it, and I'm just gonna kind of buff this into my sides of my nose. Let me wipe this off my lips because I look crusty. All right, got my lips all cleaned up because I was looking a little dusty. So yeah, now that our face has all the powders that it needs before blush and highlight, of course, we're just gonna go in with our Mari Badescu and just kind of set all this powder in before we move to the next step. And just with a few pumps, I already feel like moisturized. I'm ready to go. And next I'm going to be going in with my Milani Baked Blush in Dulce Pink. I've been using this forever. Like, honestly, I haven't even switched it up. I feel like when I start going like this, that's when I start going ham, and I put way too much on my face. So let me go ahead and stop. I am going to go ahead and finish my eyes off camera, and then I will come back and we will go ahead and do the last part, which is everybody's favorite, highlight. And I'm really gonna just kind of lay out some highlights just to see which one I like. So yeah, I'm going to hop off camera, finish my eyes, and I will be right back. All right guys, so I went off camera and I finished my eyes. I went ahead and did my bottom lash line. So I smoked out my bottom line, and then I added some mascara to my lash line. So I came back on to do my highlighter. So the highlighter that I chose to use is my Becca Champagne Pop, of course. I feel like I always go back to this one. I'm always like, oh, which highlighter am I gonna use today? And I picked this one up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my face, then I'm going to get my fluffy brush, my fluffy fan brush, and spray my face, apply this, bing bang boom, be done. And I immediately become the center of attention. So I'm going to highlight above my brow bone, right here on the highlights of my face. Come in and do this side. I already feel like I'm kind of glowing within because I have that Derma E face oil, so I already feel like that's a plus. And I'm just adding more glowiness to my skin. If anyone knows me, they know how I love my nose highlight. Get my lip, my chin. And then I'm going to go in with a smaller pointed brush. It's a Morphe brush. Just going to kind of go in and get my brow bone. And this is a pretty color, honestly. I love it. It just kind of blends with any look for my brow bone. It's not too much. It's not too yellow. It's not too gold. So I just kind of love it. And I just work that right there on my brow bone. Alrighty, I feel like that highlight is nice, and I'm gonna go in and get my inner corner. It just makes you look more awoke. Add some more glam to your face. Alright guys, we're almost done. After that, I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea setting spray, and I'm almost out of this. I will be repurchasing it because I really like it. And last but not least, I'm going to go in, and I don't know what it is about this gloss, but I don't use anything else on my lips anymore. I literally only use the Balm Gloss, the Fenty Beauty Balm Gloss. I've been loving this stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and dip this. And it smells so good. It goes on so creamy. It doesn't leave you sticky at all. It's like $17. Y'all need to go pick this up because it's amazing. Alrighty guys, so this is the final look for my foundation routine. It's everything from what I used before I put on my foundations to primers and all that good stuff. So yeah, if you like the way my face looks, definitely let me know. Hit that like button. And if you aren't I always mess up right there. If you aren't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I will be having more videos for you guys. And like I said before, this is only a foundation routine. If you want to see this eye look, definitely let me know and I will recreate it for you. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and I will see you in my next video.